Why do 75% of EV users trust SAMKU EV? Because we're more than just a charging station, we're the future of mobility. SAMKU EV is transforming the way we power up electric vehicles. Based in Pune, we manufacture innovative, sustainable and reliable EV charging stations designed for everyone, from individual drivers to commercial fleets. Our AC and DC fast charging stations are packed with cutting-edge features like remote monitoring and smart charging algorithms. Need something on the go? Our portable chargers have you covered. But it's not just about technology. At SAMKU EV, sustainability is at our core. We use eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs to reduce our carbon footprint. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures top-notch quality, while our customer-centric approach means personalized solutions and stellar after-sales support. Join the EV revolution with SAMKU EV. Whether you're a business, developer or EV owner, we have the perfect charging solution for you. Contact us today and let's drive a cleaner, greener future together.